Hello everyone, this is Sid the Baker. Welcome to my kitchen. This is going to be a very short video on how to make smooth, creamy buttercream. Very simple, very few ingredients. Let's get cracking. What can I say? I'm a genius. So for this buttercream we've got 4 ounces of butter, room temperature. You don't want it frozen, you don't want it too soft. So room temperature, 4 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of icing sugar. Just soften your butter in the bowl first. Just like that. And then you put your icing sugar in. There's your icing sugar. Now mix that up until you've got it all mixed together. Just been a few minutes mixing the icing sugar and the butter together, just with the wooden spatula, until it's like that. Now I've got here Devon cream flavour. I had to search the internet high and low to find this. We used to have it in the bakery, but it's very hard to find. World Flavours do this one. Devon cream flavour. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. You can use vanilla if you haven't got the Devon cream, but if you can search it out on the internet, I suggest you do. It makes a lovely taste. So we just put a capful in there, just like that. And I'm now going to whisk it up until it comes nice and white. So there you go, it's been whisking about 4 or 5 minutes and I've got it nice and light, and it tastes absolutely gorgeous with the Devon cream flavouring. But what I generally do now, I've already pre-whisked some non-dairy cream. You get it from the supermarkets. And I've whisked 2 ounces of non-dairy cream, and I've put that in with the buttercream now. Some people put water in it to soften it up, some people put milk in. I'd rather put in this whisked up non-dairy cream, and the difference is phenomenal. Just do like that. And there you have a buttercream that is smooth, tasty, and ready to put into anything that you want. And there you go, smooth buttercream. Well, there you go, that was buttercream. How easy was that? Now, if you've got any recipes that you can't quite get right, and you think you might want me to have a go with you, let me know. We'll get it on the video and we'll see what's going wrong. If you like what you saw, like, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you all again next week. Thank you.